Today I'm going to be doing a demonstration of an upper lip wax using the Outback Organics Opal Peelable. Before I begin the demonstration, I just wanted to have a quick chat about the technique I'm going to use to ensure that all of the hair is removed. We're dealing with vellus hair on the upper lip. Our general rule of thumb when we're waxing is to apply our wax with the direction of hair and remove it against the direction of hair, which is really key and very important when we're working with terminal hair. Working with vellus hair, sometimes they don't always grab. So I'm going to show you a technique that will ensure all of the hair on the upper lip area is thoroughly removed. What you'll observe as I do the application is I'm going to place my stretch at each side of the cupids and the corner of the mouth. And my first application is going to go against the direction of hair growth. My removal is going to be with the direction of hair growth, keeping that stretch firmly in place. We'll do that on the other side. Just making sure that you follow all the way down with your stretch. And I'm going to do an overlay just to ensure everything has been removed. Again, against. And one more on this side. Just taking it all the way into the cupid's area.